In today's video, we're having a look at how to make money with NFTs, and I'm sure you're starting to, see these, and they're definitely on the news. Recent things like this one over here. This Beeple sold an NFT for $69 million. I mean, if I scroll down here and I've highlighted this, look, up until October, the creator of this image over here, he had only ever sold a print for $100. Fast forward to today, he's just sold it for $69 million at Christie's. It's absolutely insane. And look, if you go over here and type in NFTs into Google, you can see we've currently got 4,400 people a month searching for this. If I scroll up here, I can see the trend data for NFTs. You can see back in 2012 we started to get some little peaks on this, but more recently in 2021 we're seeing a huge jump into this. And we can see, look, Gary Vaynerchuk, look at this image over here, and his collection sold for $1.2 million. So, there's money to be made in this, in this entire marketplace. So we're going to bring this down to earth a little bit more. We're not talking about $100 million or, millions, but I'm going to share with you the potential with this. I'll show you some of my own NFTs. I'll walk you through how you can find these, and more importantly, how you can actually earn money with this, because it isn't hard. It just takes, like most things I share on this channel, a little bit of time, effort, and consistency. So first of all, let me share a website with you, and I'll also share with you some of my current NFTs. Okay, so these are the current NFTs that I've got in my portfolio, and I'll just share with you a couple of these. So you see this one here called the Glitches NFT. You can see I've currently got an offer on this one, but if I go into it, let me just show you this really quickly. So if I scroll down here, you can see I've also got this offer, and this offer, which is all pretty good, because this here, it was free. I didn't actually have to pay for this. It was a free mint. Now, if I scroll further on the page here, you can see, look, it was minted to me. This was 8 days ago. So this one was 8 days ago, and it didn't cost me anything except for the gas fees. If I come back over here and click on profile, and we'll scroll down to this one. This was the first one I ever bought. And I'll purchase this because it goes with my brand Not Taught at School, so hence the cap. I thought it was pretty cool. And you can see here, look, the price is going on a steady incline. But again, if I scroll further on the page here, we've got an offer here for $313, which is currently 43% below the asking price. So I won't even, entertain that. If I scroll further on the page here, you can see all of the activity on the actual image up here, this one. So if I scroll down, if I go back up here, you can see a month ago it was minted, and then after a few days, it got sold for 0.05 from this person here to this account here, Step Brothers. And then Step Brothers 17 days ago sold me this image for 0.089. And if I scroll up the page and we'll go over to the Secret Society of Wales, we can see that the floor price is now 0.19. So both of, let me go back over here. So both of these ones here, this Glitches and also this Secret Society of Wales, they're doing relatively well. Now this one here is a new one, which has literally just been minted, and then this one over here, I got this probably about 3 or 4 days ago after doing some research. But if I come over here and click on stats, we can go ahead and have a look at all of the NFTs. So this is the top NFTs, and it shows you the the collection down here. It shows you the volume, but the more important parts are this here, the 24%. The 24-hour percent. It's either an increase, which would be here in green, or a decrease in red. And then you can also see the statistics for the last 7 days, and again it's in a percentage wise. So you can scroll down here. I mean, look at this. This art blocks over here, 479% in a day. It's just insane, isn't it? Look at this one here, again, 593. Come further on the page here, and you can see, I mean, well, I don't know what that is. It's a ridiculous amount, isn't it? But let's go ahead and have a look at some of these. Now, this is one, I'd been looking into this for a number of weeks. I could have bought into this at 0.2 over here, and look at it now, currently nearly 1.2 Ethereum. So yeah, I'm a bit gutted about that one, but we don't worry. So let's just scroll down and have a look at some of the statistics for the Glitches and also the Secret Society of Wales. So if we're going to scroll down here, let's see where they are. So Hopefully they'll be on this page or the next one. The glitches NFT. So this is the one that I have got. You can see on here, look, in the last 24 hours, we have seen a 54% increase on our money. And in the last 7 days, 383% increase. So that's pretty good. And considering this over here was a free mint, which basically means I got this for free. I just had to pay for the gas. And yeah, pretty happy with that. So let's go ahead and have a look for the Secret Society of Wales. I believe they're on this page here. Let's just scroll down here and see if we can find them. Yeah, so look here, Secret Society of Wales. In the last 24 hours, we've seen a 56% increase, and in the last 7 days, 433%. This is why, you know, NFTs are an absolutely awesome way to make money online and from home. However, you know, it's not risk free. It does come with its risks, but that's why we look at, you know, a structured way of looking at these NFTs, how to find them, and, you know, like looking at the community and other bits, because believe it or not, you can go ahead and find some absolutely awesome potential in the NFT marketplace. And just because it's not on, you know, page 1 in the top 100 doesn't mean you can't see some insane gains. I mean, we're on page 2 here, and I mean, look, this one up here, the Killers, in the last 7 days, 247. Secret Society of Wales, 433. This one here, Deadheads, 300%, 15, 154, 200. I mean, look, we do have a red here. We've got green here. I mean, a ridiculous one here. And, you know, these are gains, and this is why many people, including myself, are starting to jump into these NFTs, because you can make some absolutely ridiculous amounts of money with this, but also, no, as I keep mentioning, at the same time, it's not risk-free. Like, look at this one here. In the last 24 hours, we've had 167% gain, but if you look at the last 7 days, it's down nearly 72%. So, like with most things in life, you know, if you are going to take a risk, you know, be prepared to know that, you know, you can make ridiculous amounts of money, but you can also lose money, as we are seeing up here. Okay, apologies about earlier. I decided to try and record the rest of this video downstairs and the dishwasher kicked in. So we're now back up here in the office. So in this part of the video, what I'll do is I'm going to walk through some tools and, you know, simple ways that I go ahead and do research on NFTs and how I found them. So over on this website here, this OpenSea, very simply, along the top you've got these different tabs. You can go to the marketplace and you can filter this via different things. You can go look at the stats, which we've already looked at. We've got resources up here, and then we can also click on create, which is ultimately where you create your own NFTs. But how I go ahead and do research and, you know, go and look into these NFTs, it's pretty structured really. So there's a number of things that I do. Sometimes I'll just come here and scroll through and, you know, see if anything catches my eye or I like the look of anything. And then if I do, I'll go ahead and do a little bit of research. So when it comes to doing research on this and, you know, even finding out about potential projects whereby they're giving away these images for free, there's a few different places you can go. So if you scroll back up to the top, so you can come over to the marketplace over on OpenSea. You can literally filter this and just scroll through and have a look at anything. Let me just go into this first one here as an example. So if I go into this, what is this? Galactic Secret Agency. I'm going to click on here and we'll have a look at this. So on here you can find everything out about this. So you can see this is the name of the project, the total number of items, the number of owners, the current floor price, and also volume traded. Normally you have a little bit of blurb down here and they have a link over here to the website, so you can go ahead and check them out. And then on the left hand side here you have different things, so you can go ahead and check out sales and, you know, other things on here. So the first part of this whole process is I would normally go ahead and check them out over on Twitter. So if I come over here onto Twitter, I would literally copy this like so, go onto Twitter, so I paste that in up here, and then look, I can see them here. Secret Agency, so let's go ahead and have a look at them. So I can see here they've currently got 5,000 followers over on Twitter, and if you scroll through you can go through and, you know, see the sort of content that they're sharing. The other thing what I do is, so I'd have a look on Twitter, I would then go over to their Discord group and have a look at this. So I click here and it will take me over to Discord. Now many things in the NFT place is obviously it's over on Twitter, so I can see here inside of their Discord group they've currently got 5,000 7,000 members. So whenever you join any of these Discord groups, in the beginning it can be a bit overwhelming because you're like, whoa, what on earth is this? On the left hand side here, you can find out more information about this. So if I come up to the top, look, you have a welcome, and it'll tell you a bit more about this. They have a thing called a roadmap, and that is essentially what they're planning on doing with this project. And if I scroll up here, you can see, look, this is the roadmap. These are the details. You can see different dates of when they're planning on sharing things, different things they're doing with the community, and lots more. You have a general chat, so I'd go in here and see, how active they are. Are people chatting about this project? Are they excited about this? And yeah, I'd literally just go ahead, take a look. I'd also have a look at different things inside of here, and I'd just start, having a conversation with people. The other thing, obviously, as well, is we would go over to the website, so see if we can find out any information over on the website over here. Let me just get rid of that. So we can go and, just basically have a little nosy about and see what they're all about. So this is this website here, and you can see it'll tell you more about this, and you can go through and, as I mentioned, just have a look at this. Okay, so this is like a really basic way of how I do a bit of research into NFTs. I have a look at the website, I look at Twitter, and then I also go ahead and check out the Discord group and see what's happening in here. There's some more tools that you can use. So for example, at the beginning I shared one of my it was the glitches, wasn't it? It was a free mint. So I found that purely by over on Twitter here. At the top I just typed in hashtag free mint, click on there, and then I just went through. So look, free mint, look, $160 worth of free mint giveaways. So you can go ahead and find lots of these projects where instead of them selling the actual, these NFTs in the beginning, they're trying to build a community, and they're essentially giving away these free, NFTs and these free images to try and build their brand, their company, their projects, etc. So that is another way where you can go ahead and find, free NFTs. Just simply type in, as I've just done there, hashtag free mint over on Twitter, and you'll find people, talking about them and sharing different free mints that are going. I mean, look at this one here. 39 minutes ago, did someone say free NFTs? This company over here, so this Big Brain NFT, I mean, look, they've got 7,000 followers. Let's have a look at this. They've got 7,000 followers. There's a link to the Discord over here. Scroll further down the page and you can just find out more information about this, and it's free. All you have to do is pay the gas fees. But this is literally the process. There's another website which you can use, and it's this one over here, and it's called rarity.tools. Now on here there's lots going on again, but you can see this is the home page, newest collections added. You can go ahead and see all of the new projects which have just launched. What's pretty cool about it is if you scroll further on the page, you can also see upcoming collections, and there's lots of information all on this website in one place. So you can see what's happening, what's coming up. We've got featured. So when something's featured, people have paid to promote that project to try and get more, more people interested in this. And if we come up here to the home page and also click on upcoming, you can see upcoming NFT sales. So if I scroll down here, we've got the featured ones, so basically paid promotions. Scroll further on the page here, look, we've got another one here, another one, basically lots more. And over on this Rarity Tools here, they've got all of the links. We've got the Discord link, the Twitter link, and also the website. And that is the whole process of this, of how you can go ahead and make money with NFTs. It's the whole thing of buy low, sell high, essentially. That is basically it. So you can buy them for free, or you can buy them like you see over here, 0.08, 0.07, or you can go ahead and mint them for free. And then what happens is once you've purchased them and you've connected it over to your MetaMask, that will appear in your crypto wallet. And then over on OpenSea over here, you can list them for sale, or you can just hodl, which means hold on for dear life like I'm doing, and at a later date I'm banking on my NFTs going up in price. So at some point in the future, I'll sell them and hopefully, touch wood, make 15, 20, I don't know, 100x on some of these. But the projects that I'm involved in, I believe in them. I've looked at the projects, I've looked at the communities. I'm quite active in some of these as well. And yeah, it's just, let me get rid of that, sorry. It's just a great, well, in my opinion, a great and a simple way to make money. But do remember, it isn't risk-free. You can lose money with this. You can also make money. But go ahead, do your research, join these different Discord groups, have a chat, see what's going on, and when you find something you like the look of, jump in and purchase this. Now, I'm not going to walk you through in this video how to buy NFTs and all that sort of stuff. You can go on, just simply go on YouTube and type in how to buy an NFT. It's genuinely a simple process. You literally, you need some Ethereum most of the time, and you need a MetaMask wallet. So you open up MetaMask, buy some Ethereum, send it into your MetaMask wallet, and then literally then you can go ahead and start minting or buying these NFTs. But look, people are making a hell of a lot of money with this, and in this video I hope you found what we've gone through here today relatively straightforward for you to follow along with. So I'll go back over the tools for you. So we have got rarity.tools. We have also got up here, we have got OpenSea.io, and then obviously we have got Discord and we have got Twitter. And that's it. So look, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.